something in the area, it's only right. Had to hit the juice land one time for the one time. I don't care how far you fly. Package secured. Bissonnet Street and the Museum District in Houston, Texas share a fascinating history that reflects the city's commitment to culture and education. Originally, Bissonnet Street was named after J.J. Bissonnet, a French immigrant and significant landowner in the early 1900s. As Houston grew and flourished, the Museum District began to take shape, strategically developing around Bissonnet Street and the nearby Herman Park. The district's growth gained momentum in the mid-20th century with the establishment of Rice University and the subsequent addition of various museums and cultural institutions. Over time, this cluster of museums transformed the area into a vibrant hub of art, science, and history. Today, the Museum District and Bissonnet Street stand as a testament to Houston's dedication to fostering arts and learning, attracting countless visitors who come to experience the diverse and enriching cultural offerings that the district has to offer. Alright, so boom, I'm pulling in the garage. Know you see my click on. Get ready to park. This man gonna put his click on. Maybe you don't get out my spot. Nah, I'm playing. Let me get back to the video. This was the inside of the museum. A payphone. We are officially old. They consider a payphone an artifact. It's in a museum. Ja with the weather report.
It's really hot day.
Had to pull up on City Hall. Trying to get a ride. Boy pulled up in the Volvo.
Okay, yeah, okay.
$20. Next stop was the HEB. Did you know the Houston Museum District is home to 19 museums, making it one of the largest cultural districts in the United States? These museums cover a wide range of subjects, including art, history, science, culture, and more, providing something fascinating for every visitor.